Alright, I just woke up and I'm getting ready to I only have 2 dogs. Do my dogs get another dog? Or what? Are you friendly, honey? You got some bugs on you. And you look like a little puppy. Do you have a cough? Do you have a name? Yeah, we can do your water. So to sum up my day, Sean's been gone less than a week and I've already doubled the dog population. Overall, I think I'm doing great being by myself. No supervision is really doing me wonders, you know? Before I thought, hey, I can handle this, but boy oh boy did I mess up right away and somehow managed to get more animals. Tommy, Lisa, Susan, Maggie. Lovely seeing you ladies, lovely. And come here. Oh my God, we're friends. I made a friend. Can I pet you? I pet the frickin' chicken. Oh my God, we're friends. Come back, come back. I think our friendship ended early. So, guess whose horse put holes in her face? That's right, it's mine. So not only have I managed to double the dog population in the week that Sean's been gone, but my horse has also injured her face severely with 3 puncture holes. You know, I thought she could stop after 1, 2 holes to the face, but apparently she wanted to go for a hat trick and put 3 new punctures in her dome. Like, what? Why? What is the... I hate thoroughbreds. Apparently, when you're injured, you don't need a halter anymore. See that? It looks like nasty. Look at that. Those are nasty and deep. Look at you. You're a mess. You're pathetic. Hey, go away. Go have fun. Try not to put any new holes in your head. Please enjoy these next few clips where I try to make myself look cool riding away on my motorcycle, but you really just look like a loser. I have to adjust my camera for every single clip. You got me feeling like an animal, baby. Oh no! I think it's through! Oh my God! Oh God! Run away! Oh mother! We're gonna kill all the fleas! Yes, the good stuff. Yes, the good stuff. Oh my God! So he looked traumatized. Let me grab towels. No, my God, no! Oh gosh. Buddy. Oh my God.
Hundreds of hopeful.
That is so disappointing. So I might have burnt my bagel a little bit. Whoops. I'm on our way to go see someone that's interested in her and maybe hopefully find you a new home. Apparently we're not talking to each other. It's a lot more work than I thought it would be. Okay. Have you heard of personal space?